In this video, we will demonstrate how to set up a Hudson job. The first thing we need to do is open our SVN project and create an end script. The end script is inside the build.xml. In here, we're specifying 3 targets, so 3 commands. The first one is a clean command. It deletes the build directory and TestNG directory, and then we have the compile command. And that will take the source directory and the class path reference and compile them into class file and put them into build directory. Then we have task definition of TestNG. This is going to use the TestNG end task that can be found under the master class path that we have defined on the top of the script. The last target we have is the test target. It depends on compile, meaning every time we execute the target, it will always execute the compile first. The test target defines the TestNG output directory. It executes the TestNG task definition that we defined earlier. It reads the TestNG.xml that we have written. And it takes the class path of a master class path. To execute it, we will right-click on the build XML, select Run As, and Build. As we can see, it executes the cleanup first, then performs the compilation, and then performs the test, and all tests has passed. Now we will come to our Hudson interface and click on the new job link. We will name this job TestNG job, and we'll select Build a Freestyle software to use our installed end. Click on OK. And much of these options are optional. We will find only the important ones. Under Source Code Management, we will select Subversion, and we'll put in our repository URL for our subversion. Then we will need to configure our build triggers. In our case, we will do a pull SCM. Under schedule, we'll put 5. So this is a prone job life schedule, meaning it will check for change every 5 minutes. If there is any change, it will trigger our build. Under the build, we will select Add Build Step and invoke end. For end version, we will choose end 1.9.7, which is the one we installed. For target, we will set as test. Remember, this is the target that we built in the build.xml. For post-build actions, we choose various of actions. For simplicity, we will not choose anything. Then we will click on Save. Coming back to the interface, we can see our TestNG job has been created. When we go to the main dashboard, we can see that this is on the job status list.